Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your Chromecast and phone are on the same Wi-Fi, because discovery and casting rely on that shared network. Once done, open Google Home and allow location and local network permissions so the app can find your device. Bluetooth helps during setup. Next, power on the TV and pick the Chromecast input, and keep the Chromecast close enough to the router to avoid signal drops. Now you're ready to add the device in Google Home and proceed to configuration. After adding the device in Google Home, you'll see a code on the TV. Confirm it matches the app to authenticate the connection. Then assign a recognizable name and select the correct Wi-Fi network. This ensures other devices can find it quickly. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so app links and casting permissions persist. Once signed in, open each streaming app and tap the cast icon to link it, which streamlines playback and keeps controls on your phone working reliably. To finish, pick a cast-enabled app, tap the cast icon, choose your Chromecast, and your content will appear on the TV while you control play, pause, and volume from your device. Make sure Google Home is up to date so firmware updates and features like volume groups and ambient mode work smoothly. If casting does not start, reboot the Chromecast and router, verify both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi, and if needed, factory reset from Google Home. That reset is the key troubleshooting step to clear persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.